What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Sunday, March 24th, 2019. I'm at home watching the Duke and UCF men's basketball game. Duke's losing. So, the case for buying Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about a couple of different points here, or more than a couple. The usability, the adoption of Bitcoin, the scarcity, and utility. And I think that they all kind of intersect with each other, in my opinion. And again, this is not financial advice. This is not me telling you to go run out and buy Bitcoin. However, it's just my opinion. All right. And as always, do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. All right. So now that I got that out of the way, let's get into it. So, Bitcoin. Over the past 10 years, Bitcoin has been the best performing asset or asset class over the past 10 years. If you invested back in 2009 $100 in Bitcoin, today that $100 of Bitcoin would be worth something like $1.9 million. There's nothing on this earth that's going to give you that type of return. All right. And yeah, not even real estate, gold, traditional equities, nothing. And right now, the stock market, the equities market, is actually on a more than 10-year bull run. All right. And it's been performing annually at like a 13% return annually. So, yeah, nothing is going to be giving you that type of return anywhere else. So let's talk about adoption. The adoption of Bitcoin is happening slowly but surely. And I made a video the other day, just a quick video of a place I saw in Brooklyn with a Bitcoin ATM. And they had it displayed on the awning, on the outside of the establishment, Bitcoin ATM inside, along with ATM inside. And it was right beside the regular ATM. And, you just go in and set up an account, basically giving your phone number and things like that. And you're able to purchase Bitcoin with cash or a debit or credit, a debit card. All right. So adoption is happening. And I've seen these Bitcoin ATMs in different places all over Brooklyn and Manhattan. All right. Also, there are different stores within the city here, at least that I know of, that accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So the adoption is happening slowly but surely. And I like to equate it to back when I was in high school in the mid-90s, and not everyone had internet. Not everyone even had a computer, right? So to think that, just a few years after that, in the early 2000s, everyone, had internet and DSL instead of the stupid dial-up. It's kind of crazy, right? How fast things happen. So yeah. So the adoption is happening slowly but surely. The utility of Bitcoin and scarcity. So Bitcoin is only ever going to have 21 million individual Bitcoins being mined. Right now, currently circulating, there's 17.8 million. I keep looking at the screen instead of the camera, I'm sorry. There's about 17.8 million Bitcoins circulating right now, according to different websites. And if you do any Google search, 2 to 4 million of those Bitcoins are, missing and gone forever. All right. So, big people lost their computers or lost their private keys, had their computers destroyed, crashed, or whatever the case is, and forgot their private keys, forgot that they even had Bitcoins being mined and stuff like that on their regular computer. Before there were actual mining rigs, people were mining them on your regular laptops and, desktop computers. Okay? So those are gone forever. And the scarcity meaning that there's only be 21 million ever being mined, and every 10 minutes a new block being mined. 12.5 Bitcoin is being mined every 10 minutes. And when the halving happened in 2020, right, it's going to be cut in half to 6.25 Bitcoin. And then 4 years later after that, in 2024, it's going to be cut in half again. And then all the way until the year 2140. All right, so the flow of the money and the not the decentralization, but the supply of Bitcoin is being shortened or lessened, I should say, every 4 years in the mining block rewards. All right, so instead of it being inflationary, it's deflationary. Okay, so that's another great point as to why Bitcoin is a great investment. I think that even just put in $50 or $100 in Bitcoin right now, it will be beneficial, because we see that over the past 10 years, the performance of Bitcoin has outperformed everything or anything else on the market, on any market. Okay, and I mean, past performance isn't indicative of future performance, but we can infer that it will, basically, if history repeats itself, it's going to do the same thing again. All right, and if you listen to all the experts, and I know you're not supposed to be listening to the quote unquote experts, right? And have make your investment decisions on your own, but Bitcoin will outperform the markets again. Can it go down to zero? I don't know. I don't think it could go down to zero, because as long as there's the network, the Bitcoin network, as long as there's an internet and there's a Bitcoin network, all right, and someone is willing to accept Bitcoin for goods or services, it won't ever go back to zero. All right, and it's not like it's confiscatable. It's unconfiscatable. So if you're in a government, or you're in a situation where someone is coming to trying to take your money, be it a government or bad person or whatever the case is, they can't physically take it from you, all right, because you have your private keys. As long as you have your private keys, the Bitcoin belong to you. We have situations where in Venezuela, people are escaping the country because of the hyperinflation and the destabilization of the government, and they're going to neighboring countries, right? And they're escaping with their Bitcoin private keys in their brain wallet. They didn't actually have it physically written down. They just saved it in their brain, and then once they're able to log on to the internet or download the app or whatever, they were able to get their wealth back. All right, and Bitcoin is also a store of wealth. If you compare Bitcoin to gold, right, Bitcoin has more utility. So this is the utility aspect. It has more utility than gold. All right, because if I wanted to buy goods at the store, I can't say I have an ounce of gold, I can't break it down and buy $5 worth of goods. All right, an ounce of gold is about $1,600. I can't shave off $5 worth of gold. However, I could break that Bitcoin down to 8 decimal places, per Satoshi. So I could break Bitcoin down to like $5 and purchase $5 worth of goods with Bitcoin, and you could send it worldwide. You don't need a central bank or Western Union remittance service to send money anywhere in the world. All right, so that's the utility and that's the use case of Bitcoin. and that's a scarcity and just the overall gold 2.0 of Bitcoin. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Please, as always, smash up the likes, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Got a little long-winded, as I always do, but let me know what you think. And it's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.